Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Monster Hunter Now account. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, tap open Monster Hunter Now application and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're inside the main game, tap on your profile picture at the bottom left hand corner. Now, tap on the settings button from the list. Scroll all the way down from the settings interface and tap on delete account at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds and go through the information. Once your Monster Hunter Now account is deleted, it will no longer be accessible by you or anyone else and the process cannot be undone. So if you are sure you'd like to delete the account, tap on continue. Tap the continue button once again to confirm your account deletion. And you will now need to look for a verification code sent to you via your email address just to finalize your account deletion. It may take up to 24 hours for the confirmation email to be received by you. Wait for it, and once you receive it, go through the email and follow through the prompts in order to complete your account deletion. So that is how you will be able to delete your Monster Hunter Now account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.